So for our next one, we've got Utopian Brewing Ltd again. Kearney Specialny, I think that's Czech. Black Lager, 5.9 ABV. Very nice. I've never had a black lager before. Inspired by the full-bodied, rich and roasted black lagers of Czechia. Czechia? Not Chechnya. Czechia, do you think they mean the Czech Republic? This is a beer for winter contemplation. Well, it's May the 22nd. Although it's been like winter the past few days. Brewed with a double decoction mash, extended boil and packed with British-grown Fuggles hops. This beer is big, bold and will leave you wanting another. Well, I've only got the one, so here goes. Not much sound there. Let's see how it pours. Oh, it's definitely dark. A black lager, I've never heard of this before. It pours lovely. Nice bit of foam there. Let's get a wee boost with the foam. It's a lovely tin again. So, let's see. That colour, if you look through it, because from my point of view, I'm looking through the bottom, straight onto the light, and it's like a deep ruby red. It's absolutely gorgeous. So for, oh yeah. And then we'll come to oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Oh, I'm getting a lot of raisins or plums or a bit treacle there as well, I think. It's like a porter. So, what does it say? From Untapped, aroma of roasted malt really jumps out, yeah. Big, bold mouthfeel, roasted malts, yeah. Chocolate, yeah, and black bread flavours. Not what you expect from a lager, but the bloody cracking. Apologies for the cussing. Good one for colder months as well, I think. Unusual. This style could grow on me. The roasted malt is very tasty, yet has a lagery lightness. Right, very good. These reviews I find very helpful. So we've got colour and appearance. My goodness. Let's see. Very dark. 25 to 39, I think, yeah. Clarity. Well, it's opaque. You can't see through it at all. You can see light through it. So it's opaque. I can't see my hand through it. No. I can see my hand blocking the light. Colour of foam and head retention. Texture. None. Well, poor. Up to 15 seconds. Texture, thin to interrupted, we'll say. Carbonation, there's no visual carbonation. Aroma, the hops. Am I getting spicy there? I think I am. A wee bit spicy. The malt, oh, I'm getting a lot of pruny, chocolate. What else? I'm getting a bit toast there as well, I think. My goodness, there's a lot of flavour, a lot of smells coming off that malt. The esters, I think I'm getting like plum and raisin, like fruitcake type. The phenol, so I'm not getting cinnamon. I'm getting a bit of vanilla again. I've got vanilla on the brain. Flavour and aftertaste, alcohol, not really detectable. Mild to not detectable. Hop flavour. I'm getting spicy. Hop bitterness. It's fairly restrained. It's not very bitter. The malt, oh there I'm getting the roast and the pruny, the chocolate. Smoky, am I getting a bit smoky there? Maybe a bit smoky as well. The palate, astringency, it's medium minus, I think. Body, that'll say soft for that. Palate carbonation, yeah, there's a bit of fizz there. Partially sparkling. Pétillant. The length finish, it's long, more than 60 seconds. You're getting a lot of complex flavours in the finish, the aftertaste. It's like a raisiny, very rich, fruity. It's gorgeous. Oxidative, aged qualities. I'm getting a bit of black currant. Sherry-ish maybe, or black currant. It's hard to say. Hard to say. Balance and drinkability, desirable. The style, well, I've never encountered black lager before, so I'm going to say it's appropriate. Because the brewers know what they're doing, once again. Always bow to the brewers. So it's a first, but not a last. I could drink that. There is a bit of carbonation. It's very fruity and rich. That you could drink till the cows come home. You could just sit and drink that all day. That, I think you would have to stick to just a few. What is it? Yeah, 5.9. That's quite strong. That's a 4.7. It's not a lightweight, but so it's not a competition. I always say that. It's not a competition. But I cannot decide. It's a draw. I could drink that one all day. It's lovely and light and refreshing. What am I getting there? There's something I'm getting after, I don't know what it is. But it's nice, fruity. Oh my goodness, that's... Yeah. I don't know. That might just edge it. That is beautiful. But they're totally different tastes. So it's like apples and oranges. So once again, forgot to put my hat on again. I hope the light's no shining blinding you. And I've tried to fix the backlight this time, but the last video I made, I didn't realise it was in shot. I thought it was further back. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now.